How to pay later on Temu. So first of all, open Temu application. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now, from your feed, you can choose on a specific product or you can search for it as well. I'm going to tap on this product. Now, after this, tap on Add to Cart. Now, tap on this cart icon. Now, choose the items you wish to purchase. Now, after this, tap on the option of Checkout. Now, once you come here, scroll down below and make sure you see this option that says Pay in 30 days. So, if you tap on it, you can pay later with Klarna. Now, after this, go ahead and tap on Order and Pay option. Now, once you come to this page, make sure that you enter in your phone number. Then, tap on Continue. Now, over here, you would have to enter the 6-digit code you will receive on your phone number. In this web page, you can log in or sign up to your account. So, as I had already logged in into my Temu account, I'm already signed in. Now, after that, you would have to complete any eligibility or credit checks required by the provider. After that, you would have to review the installment schedule and confirm your purchase. One thing you have to note down is that the Pay Later feature may not be available in certain regions. So make sure you check that first and then only apply for the option of Pay Later. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.